Hey cybersecurity enthusiast, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an exciting topic that's essentials for every venturing into the world of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. We are diving into the realm of bug hunting and more specifically, we will be exploring some fantastic bug bounty hunting books that can turbocharge your knowledge and skills. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. Before you before you embark on your bug bounty hunting journey, it is crucial to build a strong foundation. Our first book, Bug Bounty Bootcamp. It is an excellent starting point. It's cover the basic of bug hunting methodologies and real world example to kickstart your bug bounty endeavors. Then step to the next book. Understanding of web application vulnerabilities is at the heart of bug hunting. The web application hackers handbook is a masterpiece to delve into the intricate details of web app security from SQL injection to cross-site scripting. These books provide a comprehensive guide to identifying and exploring exploiting vulnerabilities. And move to next. Learning from a real world experience is invaluable in bug hunting. Real world bug hunting takes you on a journey through actual bug bounty submissions and the lessons learned from them. These books bridge the gap between theory and practice, give you insights that only seasoned bug hunter possess. Move to next. A bug hunting involves so the technique and tools. Mastering modern web pen testing equips you with advanced skills and methodologies required to stay ahead of cyber threats. This book covers cutting edges topics like API security, serverless vulnerabilities, and many more. Then move to next. If you are short on a time but eager to jump into bug bounty hunting essentials is your go-to guide. This conscious yet comprehensive book, the key concepts and the techniques into an easy to digest format make it perfect for those looking to quick insight in a bug bounty. Move to next. You are new to web hacking, so web hacking 101 is your ideal companion. This book breaks down complex concepts into the beginner-friendly explanations, make it suitable for those taking their first step in bug hunting. It's a must read for aspiring ethical hackers. And then last but not least, efficiently is a key is bug efficiently is a key bug hunting and automation plays a pivotal role. Bug bounty automation with Python is your insider guide to use Python script for automating repetitive tasks in bug bounty hunting from reconnaissance to vulnerability scanning. These books help you to work smarter, not harder. There you have it, Flo, cyber enthusiast, a sneak peek into the some remarkable bug hunting books that can you evaluate your ethical hacking journey, whether you are a beginner or experienced hacker. These books offer wealth of knowledge and insight. Remember, in the rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity, continuous learning is a key to staying ahead of the game. So grab these books, dive in, and let's make the digital world of safer place, one bug at a time. Until next time, Stay curious and stay secure. Subscribe